Hello everyone. Today I have got Samsung tablet S6 Lite for LCD replacement. So here you go. You can see the LCD is broken, it's smashed all over. So today we're going to change the screen on it. So there is a main flex underneath the screen, so which is somewhere here. So we're gonna lift it up like this side. So there's a top camera on the there's a camera on the top, so we have to lift it up vertically towards the charging port side. So we're gonna start from this side first. I can see it's smashed very badly here. So normally screen is broken, we have to make a space, but it's already I can see there is lots of space in here. So I already put on a heating pad, I make it warm. Yeah, so here you can see. So first we're gonna first I will release the sides of the main screen from the sides of the body of the tablet, and we will see inside. So it's already very smashed, so it's not even bearing my little bit force. If I'm giving a little bit force, it's just breaking more and more. So screen is already broken, so we don't need. So when you're doing these repairs, please make sure wear safety goggles. Otherwise there's a small glass particle, they can go into your eyes and it's gonna damage your eyes. So best to use goggles. In some repairs I don't wear, but these type of repairs I always wear goggles. I know there's a small glass, it can break and can go into my eyes. So safety first when doing these type of repairs. It's like kind of bit of tricky because it's already shattered. So look the condition of the screen. Here you go, here you go. So slowly I'm gonna release from the corners. This is gonna help me to lift up the screen. So for these repairs, no need to rush or no need to do things in a quick. So moves bit by bit, slowly, and you will get your results. Like you can see, I'm going. So there's a camera here. So please make sure do not scratch or put anything on the camera. It looks very awkward, to be honest, repairing these type of devices and like this. But then there is a tricky thing when you are repairing charging port or something like that for this iPad, and then you have to open the screen without breaking anything. But in these cases the job is a little bit easy because you don't have to worry about the screen, because screen is already broken on many places. So now I don't have any fear or something. So, but I just have to so I'm moving slowly, releasing the corners of the LCD. So for the corners are, so you can even use this liquid here. It's gonna make your job easy. Here you go. So it just I can easily move this plank tool because I put on the heating pad, it got enough heat already. So I just have to put a little bit liquid, so I have to release from the corners. That's it. So here you go. So if you struggle, just put on the heating bed again. Otherwise, you have to put lots of force on it to release the screen from. So you're gonna start lifting from this side, from the top, where is the, I'm gonna show you, there is the flex underneath. So I'm gonna check what's in here. They are just adhesive. So you're gonna remove this adhesive. Best I'm gonna cut it. Yep, here you go. So if I can show you, so here is the flex. So I'm easily, yeah, here you go. This is our main thing. So I'm gonna put something behind like this. I hope you can see. So we have to remove these screws. So you have to remove this top body. So there's a flex underneath. Otherwise, can't do anything. Yeah, here you go. So once your screen is open, so you have to disconnect from here, and there is one flex here, so which you have to replace. So first we're gonna disconnect the main flex. So what we're gonna do, this is our main flex, that one. I'm gonna leave it here. So use the prying tool, lift this up, yeah, and here you go. So first we have to prepare our new screen. So we need to remove this flex, yeah, and this flex means with this board as well, that one, if you can see this one, and this we're gonna go here. So first we're gonna remove this area. First I'm gonna, to remove this one, I'm gonna put onto the heating pad. For the time being, we're gonna clean our frame. remove this paper. I'm gonna leave it here so I'm not gonna forget. So this is removed. So this is the main flex cable of the display. So now we have to remove that one as well. So I'm gonna remove that one as well. So now we have to remove this complete board which is attached to display. So easiest way is to put something underneath. Yes, like this. So use a little bit liquid. Here you go, and it will come off easily. So here you go, here you go. So here you go. First I'm gonna put this one here. So let me stick it on. So this will go here like this. Close it. So I'm gonna put tape on it. So here you go. This one is here. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna put this one inside proper. So now I can see it's properly clamped and all the points on the right place, and I'm gonna close it. So this is the right position of this board. So I'm gonna put this one on to this one like this. Yes, and I don't need anything at the moment for now, I think, but still if you need anything. So this needs to be go here. Yes, all sorted. So on the safe side, I'm gonna use a little bit super glue, put underneath a little bit, just give a touch, just kind of like, you can say, slightly, little bit, like just touch up. So it's not gonna move from its original place. Normally even you don't need, but on the safe side you can use that one, just on the side. That's it. That's it. Otherwise you don't need to do anything. That's it. So our screen is ready. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put on, we're gonna try now. Our tab body is ready already, so we have to connect this main flex. You can put this one like this. Yeah, here you go. This one, just lift it up. So this one will go inside like this. So I can see now it's properly linked How you can check? There's a 2 points, one point here, 1 point here. If they both are on the right position, it means you are doing the good job. So if you want, you can put this in here, but we don't need, it's already connected. So we're gonna put on to the body, so we'll see if there is any gap or something. So it's properly placed, so I can't see any gap on the side, so it means I'm ready to put glue to assemble it. Yeah, looks all right to me. I have to just check here. Looks all right. That's it. So I'm gonna put something here like this to give us support, and I will use this suction cup to lift skin up like this. Here you go. Now I'm gonna put glue all over over the side of the tablet's body, and then we will just close it. That's it, job done. So I can check the camera lens is clean. So I'm just going to put glue from this side. There you go. So I'm gonna put from the bottom first and just leave it like this. So I'm gonna join all the corners first, so we'll see if there's any corner which is, so here you go. I'm gonna start putting glue, sorry, we're gonna start putting tape on the corners to give a proper adhesion. So here you go. Now I'm gonna give some adhesion on here as well. Well, everyone has their own kind of methods to do things. If you have any good, more easy things to do, and easy, the stuff is available. It's up to you how you wanna do your repair. But this is I'm just telling you the thing what's inside, so which way you have to open it. So you can learn. Everybody has their own techniques, and whichever technique you follow, but needs to be in the right way. That's it. I do have the clamps as well, but I just sometimes feel it's easy to put tips. They give proper good adhesion, proper, So here you go. Everything looks alright. Tab is working.